Kailangan mong mag-hire ng employees. Ikaw pa rin ba ang gumagawa ng mga trabaho na pwede namang gawin ng isang empleyado? Let me tell you about Maricel, who runs a pharmacy. 3 taon, she did everything herself. Dispensing medicines, manning the cashier, managing inventory, talking to sales representatives, at saka nag-handle siya ng prescription. She was making decent money, but hindi nag-grow yung negosyo niya. She could not extend her operating hours dahil wala na siyang oras. And one day, yung isang clinic na katabi gustong makipag-partner sa kanya. Sabi nung may-ari ng clinic, we would refer all our patients to your pharmacy. Pero kailangan mong magstay open hanggang alas 8 ng gabi. At kailangan mo ring i-handle yung billing paperwork. Wow, ang laking business opportunity. At ibig sabihin nun, hindi na siya mamumroblema sa customers. Pero alam ni Maricel na hindi niya ito makakayanang mag-isa. So, meron siyang 2 choices. Say no to the partnership or mag-hire ng tutulong sa kanya. Iniisip niya pa lang, natatakot na siya. Iniisip niya, paano kung mali yung training ko? What if nakawan ako sa aking cash register? What if hindi ko mabayaran yung sweldo nila? Pero kahit natakot siya, nag-hire siya ng pharmacy assistant anyway. The first month, medyo hirap siya. Kailangan niyang mag-train the assistant on proper dispensing. Kailangan niyang bantayan kung paano niyang binibilang yung mga gamot. At kailangan pa niyang i-correct yung kanyang mistakes habang nakikipag-deal siya sa mga customers. So, halos mag-give up na si Maricel. Pero by month 3, something changed. Yung kanyang assistant ay natuto na. Alam niya na kung anong mga gamot ang i-recommend. And she handled the paperwork smoothly. And si Maricel, finally nagkaroon na siya ng oras para makipag-build ng relationship sa mas maraming doktor at makipag-negotiate ng better prices with the suppliers. And nakapagplano na siya na mag-expand. And guess what? She now has 2 pharmacy assistants with her. So ito yung lesson, anak. You cannot grow beyond your own 2 hands. Your business will only be as big as what you personally can handle unless mag-hire ka ng tutulong sa'yo. Remember, your business needs you to be the leader, not the laborer. Now go and be business-minded, Pinoy.